Hey friends, ZenKahuna here, and I'm going to show you a fun little drill, but first I'm going to do it where you can get a look at the grip. So I've got my pendulum in my ready position. I'm going to come out to a straight out in front flag. Okay, so Tara, will you just come in here? Let me just turn so the sun's on my hand so they can see how it is. Alright, now I'm going to press it overhead. Watch how the pendulum has to shift in my hand. Then I'm going to bring it out to the side. It shifts again. And then drop it back, and I'm here. So let me show you what that looks like with the full picture then. So I'm starting from directly behind the shoulder. Come out to a front flag. Now, come on up into the flame. Then out into a side flag and drop it down. Now we're going to make a hand shift, just a simple one in the front. Then we're going to come up into front flag. Up to the flame, out to the side flag, and bring it down. Once more on the other side. So, front flag, flame, side flag, and beginning position. So that gives you a little drill that will really start working you on getting that shift. Let me show you how to begin it if holding it up above is too much. Come in close, Tara. So, here's your hand position. And we go for an inside, so my thumb is down, then my thumb is up, then my fingers are forward, and then back. So you start working around the ball. Okay, so back up so they can see what it looks like. So here's my pendulum hanging down out to the side. I don't want to be way up here for this, just bring it down so it's right out from your shoulder, and you're going to go. So you can see how much wrist flexion you're getting going on there. And then here, thumb down, thumb up, fingers away from me, back of the hands towards me, boom, 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 boom. So you can start working around, just so you're getting used to it. Then, when you come to your position, go ahead and come in, Tar. That's all right. So here's this, and you can see, if I turn around maybe this way better, I've got a neutral wrist. In other words, I don't want my hand bent like this. I want to keep that neutral wrist. Now one more time, just follow it up. So now I'm letting the ball shift in my hand to come up for the thing. I'm going to bring it down, holding it in that same position. So there, can you see how the position is? All right? So if I come back up to the flame and then back up again, Tara. So now I'm going to take it out to the side flag. It's going to shift in my hand, boom, bring it down, drop it out and down. So mess around with this, play with it, make it your own, make it fun. Train every single day, but don't do the same thing every day. Keep it fresh.